Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
The topic that we are going to discuss now is caracal. What is this caracal? Caracal is a wild cat. Why is caracal in news? Let us get into the details of caracal. Recently, there was a concern regarding the conservation of caracal species. Okay, so from exam point of view, we will be understanding about the conservation status, about the different characteristics and features of caracal. Okay, so with only an estimated 50 individuals remaining in India, that took predominantly in Western India, caracal is on the verge of extinction in India. That is the reason why it is a major concern now. And where can we find this caracal? Ranthambore Tiger Reserve in Rajasthan and Kutch region of Gujarat. These are the two strongholds for caracals in India, and even there we have 28 and 20 individuals. In Ranthambore we have 28 individuals and in Kutch we have 20 individuals, only this much. Okay, so approximately 50 are left. So they are on the verge of extinction in India. Okay, so we need to take conservation efforts to conserve this species, that is caracal. Now let us understand the details of the caracal. This is how it looks. It is a medium-sized wild cat which is native to Africa, Middle East, Central Asia and South Asia including India. So it is native to India also, and in India caracal is called Sia Ghosh. Okay, Sia Ghosh, which is the Persian name that translates as black ear. Sia Ghosh means black ear. If you see here, it is having a black ear. That is the reason why it is called Sia Ghosh in India. Okay, the local name. And then a Sanskrit fable is also there, a short story is also there, which exists about a small wild cat which is named as Dirghakarn. What is Dirghakarn? Dirghakarn means long-eared. So probably this fable is about Sia Ghosh or caracal. Okay. And then what are all the different characteristics of caracal? That it has long legs, a short face and a long canine teeth. Canine teeth is there, and it has distinctive ears that are long and pointy with tufts of black hair at the tips. So the ear is long and pointy and it has tufts of hair, okay, black hair, and it is an elusive animal, which means its sightings are not common. We cannot find them very commonly. Okay, thus it is elusive and it is primarily nocturnal also. Okay, they are active only after sunset. That is the term that we use for nocturnal. Okay, so nocturnal means those animals which are active after sunsets. And it is carnivore. It is typically prey. It typically preys upon small mammals, birds and rodents. And it has traditionally been valued for its flexibility and its extraordinary ability to catch birds in flight. Even those birds which are in flight can be caught by this caracal. Okay. Where can we find caracal? Its habitat. Okay. They live naturally in India, especially in northwestern part, and they are also found in Africa, Middle East and Central Asia, which we already discussed. And in India, they are found in Aravalli Hill Range, semi-deserts, savannas, scrublands and other dry forests. And caracals are used to, earlier they used to live all over the central India and Indo-Gangetic plains, but they haven't been spotted in those areas for 40 years. So their population is slowly declining. Okay, so this is what we need to know, and that is the reason why we need to take conservation efforts. And coming to the conservation status of caracal, it is listed as least concerned in IUCN red list globally, but in India they are near threatened. So globally they are least concerned, but in India they are near threatened. This fact is important, and it falls in the Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, and it is under Appendix 1 of CITES Convention. That is Convention on International Trade of Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna. And what are all the threats that are faced by caracal? First is large-scale hunting, and then illegal trading, and then loss of natural habitat. These are the major threats that are faced by caracal. Okay, so this is what we need to know from this particular topic, that is caracal.